Hi everybody and welcome to a session on Sunday, and this week we're doing a song that you will almost certainly not have heard of before. It's by an Australian jazz band called Flap, and this one, although I've rewritten it a bit, is called the Ashville Rooster. It's a bit about Ripon now, and it goes like this. Dum 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 dum. Well, I was up on Clotherham Road late on a Saturday night, and I saw a sight so strange I nearly shot myself with fright. A rooster big as houses came a-rattling up the hill. 40 foot he was from beak to claw, and maybe larger still. Well, it's true, mate, it's true. Never was I known to lie. If you'd have been at Ashbank, you'd have seen the same as I. Dum 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 dum. This rooster had a wingspan was wider than your mum. Every time that birdie flapped his wings, his shadow blocked the sun. This rooster was a monster. You could see him from the moon. Green climbed up his leg in May and didn't get back till June. Well, it's true, mate, it's true. Never was I known to lie. If you'd have been at Ashbank, you'd have seen the same as I. Dum 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 dum. The coxcomb on this rooster's head is brushed against the sky. It swept the stars from heaven and sucked in your eyes. Those eyes are as bright as heaven, darling. You're as hot as hell. Well, I'll be going home soon. Maybe you could come as well. Well, it's true, mate, it's true. Never was I known to lie. If you'd have been at Ashbank, you'd have seen the same as I. Well, it's true, mate, it's true. Never was I known